Welcome back. Now there is an indirect relationship between Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. And in order to go from Google Sheets to Microsoft Excel, all you'll need to do is to go inside of your Google Sheets document. You need to go to the File button. You need to download your copy as Microsoft Excel. You can also download as a CSV file. But mainly what you want to do is to download as a Microsoft Excel document. And your document opens up into Microsoft Excel. Now you can also move from Microsoft Excel to Google Sheets. This also takes place inside of Google Sheets. You're going to start a new document. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to your File command, and then you will click Import. You're then going to click Upload. You're then going to select a file from your computer. That will then be your Microsoft Excel document. You'll then click Open. You'll then decide whether or not you want to create a new spreadsheet or replace the one you're working with. You'll then click Import Data. And your content will then be present inside of Google Sheets. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.